Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Next Learning. If you are first time viewer, subscribe my channel to get notification whenever there is a latest release. In today's demo, we are going to cover one more business requirement. If there is a need to have the personalization to hide any field based on the user. Let's assume if business having any logistic partner and logistic partners performing on the behalf of business their transaction, and business wants that logistic partner cannot view their sensible information. So how to achieve it in Fusion? So in earlier demo we have seen if there is a need to hide the field based on roles, how to achieve it. So now I have already activated the sandbox. After activating the sandbox, I will go to the navigator and see my user name. To validate the username, I have to go to the security console. Under the security console, I have to click on user and click on search. So click on users, click on search, and I will search it. So I have selected my user account. So my user name is fusion.nextgenlearning. So I copied that. We'll use this while doing the personalization. Click on done, go to home page, and we'll choose one of the page where we'll perform this personalization. So we'll go to the order management. Under the order management, we'll click on create order. While clicking the order, you can go to the billing and payment detail and we'll select any of the field. So I'm selecting the payment term. To hide, this is important. Let me go to the other field, shipment detail. I think we'll use under shipping, we'll use the shipping instruction to perform the personalization activity. Now, before personalize the field or apply the personalization, you have to go to the user account and you have to go to the administration, and under administration you have to click on added pages. Under the added pages you have to go to the structure and make sure you selected the correct field where you want to perform the personalization. So for this you have to do more hands holding, otherwise it's quite difficult for you. Now you have to click on do not ask. Next time you have to click on add it. Once you click on add it, you have to select the respective field. Now scroll up the dock. Once you scroll up the dock, you can see that shipping instruction is selected. Now you have to go to the properties, and under the properties setting, you have to customize it and you have to enter the expressions. Now you can see that the field is currently visible. Now I will click on expression builder and add the expression to hide the field. So I will remove it and we'll add the expression. So we'll add the expression so we are adding security context dot user name equal to, enter, we have typed the name fusion.nextgen and we'll type it over here and we'll close the bracket. Let me close it and we'll add and start the bracket and type the username. So this is how you have to add the expression. So we have written the security context dot user name equal to fusion dot nextgen learning, the username. So this particular shipping instruction will be hidden for the user account. We'll have to do the test. So I have selected the test. I click on test and I can see that it returned as a true condition. Now you have to scroll little bit down and you can see that it is hidden for the particular user. Now you can see that it is true condition for the particular user. Now what you have to do, you have to scroll up and then you have to click on. As we can see, it is not hidden. So let me check the expression and let me select first shipping instruction. So I have selected, yeah. Let me go back. To the properties and scroll down and we'll validate our expression. So we'll see, click on visual and we'll validate because we have not saved it. So it get removed. Let's retype the expression, save it, then start security context dot user name and add the user name and close the bracket. And now try to test it. It has to return false. So now you can see, so earlier condition, what we made it, we have made it equal to, so that it will be true for the respective user and other users cannot see the shipping instruction. So we return back the condition and saying to system that if it is Fusion NextGen learning, then hide the field, and for other users, it has to be true. So now we have validated it. Now click on OK. After click on OK, you can see what I have written. The code security context dot username equal to Fusion NextGen learning. Once you're done, you have to click on apply. Once you click on apply, you have to click on Okay. So you can see that the visible option is the flag is removed from the field, and we'll see that shipping instruction is hidden from the UI for me as an user. After adding the expression and getting tested, you have to make sure that you publish your sandbox. Otherwise, those changes won't be reflected to the UI for the respective user. So this is how you can achieve the requirement in Oracle Fusion. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel, Fusion Next Gen Learning. Keep subscribing, keep watching. Happy learning.